So room 226. Use your keys to get inside. As you can probably tell, on first glance, it's not the biggest. So we're gonna start round to the left of the bed. Got a fancy little chair in the corner. Got your room temperature up on the wall. You've got some fancy coat hangers on the wall, if you fancy putting a jacket or whatever up there. Obviously down next to my bags, they're out of the way. Got a plug socket, you got a kettle, got some water, and you got stuff for tea and coffee, and I think there's green tea in there. Yep. So you got a bin. Got some more plug sockets just behind here. Got some tissues, you got your phone and TV channel directory. Obviously your TV remote and a phone. Got some more plug sockets, also some light switches, which I'm sure you can control from your bed, obviously. I like this because it's got a USB as well. And then obviously here's the bed. Got the TV up on the wall, it's playing along. Once you put your card in when you come in the room, obviously all the electric comes on, so the TV comes on with that. And then behind this door, you've got the bathroom. It's very well decorated in this room, I'll give you that. You've got a hairdryer, you've got your hand and body cleanser, your body lotion, you got head steamer and face mower, shaving kit, I like the name of that. Got your sink, obviously your toilet. It's very cozy in here, like I said. And then you got your shower, which again is all very fancy. It's just not very big. You got your shampoo, hand and body cleanser on the wall, a towel, obviously walk-in shower. But no, it's a very small, cozy room, but for the night at the airport, this is perfect. So yeah, that is the room tour, guys. If you have any questions about the room or the hotel in general, where it's located, etc., then just drop us a comment.